Rachel from A Sense of Calm. In today's video I'm going to introduce the seed sounds, or the Bija mantra. These are basically the mantra for each of our energy centres, or chakras. So these are little spinning vortexes within our energy field which really affect our state of well-being. So if our chakras are blocked or unbalanced, we don't feel good, essentially. So through working with each of the chakras and toning these sounds, we can help to kind of clear ourselves and balance ourselves and feel better. So today I'm going to start with the base chakra. The sound is lung. It's made like this. Lung, 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 lung. So nasalise the sound, try and get something of the sound going up here. That will increase the vibration within your body and basically means you'll get more out of making the sound. So literally just make the sound until the end of your breath, fall into the space afterwards, breathe in and then make the sound again. So we're going to make the sound 3 times all together. My breath may be a bit longer, so I may carry on a bit longer, but don't worry about that. Just either wait for me to finish or just carry on in your own time. The important thing is that you make your own sounds, that you just engage your voice and have a go. There's no right or wrong sound. We're not looking for a particular pitch or anything like that. It's just about making your own sound. Few little hints. Make sure that you're sitting nice and upright, that your posture is supported by the core muscles. Imagine a column of sound there, it's already there, so you're not kind of forcing a sound. And yeah, just have a go. So here we go. Lung for the base chakra. So if you wanted to work with a colour to go with it, the colour would be red. Okay, so the sound goes like this. Let's do it all together. Join in when you feel ready. Lung, 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 So there we are, the seed sound, or the Bija mantra for the base chakra. So that's all to do with your connection to the earth, your security, feeling safe in the world. So work with the base chakra. It's a really good place to start. And I will be back very soon with the sacral chakra, the next one up. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.